Now, what do we have here? 5-digit number divided by 2-digit number. In the last lesson, we looked at 5 divided by 1-digit number. And we were dealing with the table 7, I can remember table 9, and so on and so forth. So, we are continuing slowly by slowly. We are not in a hurry. So, the same procedure. Can 86, which is now the divisor here, this number being divided is referred to as the dividend when you're doing division. Remember that? The number being divided is dividend, the number dividing is the divisor. So if the number being divided is dividend and the number dividing it is divisor, what name do we give to the answer we got after dividing? Can you write it down there? So we have a 5-digit number, 10,535, divided by a 2-digit number, which is 86. What do? We start. 86 is a bigger number. Can it divide 1 digit? No. 86 is too big to fit in 1. 86, can it fit in 10? No. 86 cannot fit in 10. But 86 can fit in 105. Yes, it can fit there. How many 85s? How many 86, I mean? How many 86 can fit in 105? Since we did not talk about this in our multiplication table last time, but it's very easy. What do? Come up with your rough workspace. Say 86 times 1, that is 86. 86 times 2, what do you have? 2 times 6, already we have 12. You see, this now is still multiplication, with the foundation. 12 carry 1, 6 times 8, we have 2 times 6 is 12. We carry 1, we write 2, we carry 1. 2 times 8, what do you have? That is 16 plus 1, 17. 172. No. Very far from it. We want a number that is less than 105 that 86 can divide. So if 2 is not there, meaning that it is only 186 is in 105. So we say, since it cannot divide this one, 0. It cannot divide 10, 0. It divide 105 how many times? 1 times, bringing 86. 1 times bringing 86. There's a remainder. 5 minus 6. Do you have 5 minus 6? It is impossible. So what do? Borrow from 0, which is also nothing. Borrow from here. That's now 0. Bring it here. What do you have? 10. Borrow from 10. Remain with 9. Bring it here. What do you have? We have 15. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6, what do you have? So this now will be 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. So after borrowing, we have 15 minus 6, which is now giving us 9. 9 minus 8 here. What do you have? This one is 1. So we have 19. Can 86 divide 19? No, 86 cannot divide 19. So 19 is smaller than 86. What do? Bring the next number down, which is 3. 86 divide 193 how many times? From our rough work here, we said that 86 times 2 gives us 172. Okay, but do we have 172? No, we have 193. So let us try next one. 86 times 3. 3 times 6, that is now 18. Carry 1. 3 times 8 here, that's now 20. 24 plus 1, that's now 25. 86 times 3, that's now 258. But here we have 193. So it cannot divide it 3 times because 258 is greater than 193. We take the multiple that is very close but less than 193. Which multiple is that? 176. So we say 86 divide 193 how many times? 2 times, bringing 172. bringing 172. Now, subtract to get the remainder. 3 minus 2, that's 1. Then we have 9 minus 7, these 2. So, the remainder is 21. Can 86 divide 21? No. So, what do? Bring 5 down. If you bring 5 down here, we have 215. Can 86 divide 215? Yes, but there will be a remainder. So ask yourself, already we had 258 here, which is also greater than 215. We have 172 is less than 215. So meaning that 86, how many 86 are in 215? 286. So we say 86 divided 215 how many times? 2 times. Bringing 172. Get for me that remainder. Remainder, what do you have? 5 minus 2, we have 3. Here this is 1, 7. It is impossible. We regroup. But regrouping, it is technical term. What do? We borrow. Easy. We borrow, we bring it, we take it the other side. So borrow 1 from here, remain with 1, bring it here, 11. 11 minus 7, what do you have? That is 4. 43. So you see, the remainder is 43. Do we have another number here? No. So what is the hint here? Have your rough workspace where you'll be trying. You will be multiplying to find the multiples. Because we did not. The useful part of the multiplication table is table 1 to table 10. The rest, you can apply table 1 to table 10 to help you solve anything. So and everything. So this is why I'm using my rough workspace here. Now, what will I say? 105. No, not 105. 10,535 divided by 86. We have our answer as what? 122. The remainder is 43. Nothing impossible. Nothing is impossible. So, just this a way of growing your brain. Don't expect to understand the word problems in grade 9, the word problems in grade 10. You still struggle with this. Grow your brain slowly by slowly. And that's why we are here, to grow all together. We are done with B, A. Let's move to B. B, what do you have? We have here 85,831. Then we have 43. So, looking at this, question B, where is the dividend? What is the dividend? The dividend is now 85,831. And what did we say? Dividend is the number being divided. This is the number we are dividing. This is the number dividing it. 43. The number 43 is called the divisor. The number dividing it is called the divisor. So that's 43. Now, next, the answer, what did we say? The answer gotten after division is referred to as the quotient. If you wrote it down there, congratulations. The number we get after dividing, that is referred to as quotient. So here, we can say the dividend, which is 10,535, divided by 86, which is the divisor, is giving us 122. 122 here form our quotient. And this one is what remained here. So this is now the remainder. The name is still here. So here, this one, let's call this dividend. Dividend. The number being divided, then the number dividing it is called divisor. This is 86. Then this is what now the quotient. Quotient. So this is the quotient, but this one remains as a remainder. A remainder. Very simple. Now let us start dividing. Time is not on our side. 43. Can it divide 8? No. So we write 0 there. 43, can it divide 85? Yes, 43 can divide 85 because 85 is greater than 43. So we'll say that a divisor will divide a part of the dividend if it is equals to or greater. If that part of the dividend is greater or is equals to the divisor. So 43 will divide a number here if the number is equals to 43 or if that number is greater than 43. So 43 cannot fit into 8, that is why we wrote 0 there. 43 can fit into 85. How many 43s are there in 85? Let us check. So 43 times 1, that is now 43. 43 times 2, that's now 86. 86. But we have very close, but the problem is greater. We have below. So 43 divided 85, how many times? 1 times, bringing 43. The remainder is 5 minus 3. What do you have? That is 2. Then 8 minus 4, what do you have? That is 4. So we have 42. So can 43 divide 42? No, 43 cannot divide 42. 42 is already less than 40. 42 is already less than 43. So you see, 43 cannot fit into 42. What do? Bring 8 down. If you bring 8 down, we have 428. Can 43 divide 428? Yes. 428 is greater than 43. How many times? Let us confirm. 43 times 2, that is 86, times 3, we have 9, 129. 129. Very far from 48. So we don't need to just follow the pattern by 2, by 3. But we sometimes can skip. Mathematics is a matter of reasoning. You cannot just follow and waste your space. You can skip and find a number. So let us skip, multiply it by 10. 43 times 10, that's now 430. You see? Now 430 is very close to 428. But it is greater than 428. But we need a number that is very close but less than. So that one, we multiply it by 10 to get 430. So multiply 43 by 9. To avoid going very far again. 43 times 9. 9 times 3 here. This is 27. Write 7, carry 2. 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 2 you carried 38. So this 387. 428. So this, it means that this the only multiple that is of 43 that is very close to 428 and less than. Are we together there? Okay, I can see somebody not understanding. We want 43 dividing 428 how many times? How many times 43 divided 428? Or how many 43 are there in 428? Remember, I've started here 43 by 1, 43, 43 by 2, 86, 43 by 3 is 129. Then I realized that I was too slow. Mathematics involve finding the shortest way of solving the problem or the shortest route possible. You don't need to waste time. Time is limited. So we need to be time conscious. So I've remembered 428, then 43. If I multiply by 10, I get 430. 430 is very close to 428, but it's above that. So, meaning that 10 is greater number. So I come down to another number, which is 9. 43 times 9, I get 387. 387 is very close to 428, but less than 428. That is what we want. 428. That is what we want. So what do? We say, how many 43s are in 428? 9. Right? Bringing 387. Good. Subtract 8 minus 7, this 1. 2 minus 8, that is impossible. That's now, we borrow, we remain with 3, bring here 12. That's now 41. Now, we have 41. 43, can it divide 41? No. But we have other digits here. Let us bring them down. If we bring them down, we have 413. Now, can 43 divide 413? Can 43 divide 413? Yes, but we are not going to waste time again. Remember, 487, that is very close multiple to this. 430 is very far. So we say 9 times bringing 387. So 387 is the only multiple that is very close to 413. Multiples of what? Of 43. So let us subtract again. What do you have? We have this now impossible. We have here 6. Borrow here, remain with 0. So if we borrow here, it is 413 subtract 387. No, my brain is jumping very fast, but I want us to move together. I don't want to leave you behind. So follow me. 3 minus 7, it is impossible. I borrow 1 from 1 here. I'm going to remain with 0. Bring that 1 here, 13. 13 minus 7, what do you have? We have 6. Here, what do I remain with? 0. And 0 minus 8, impossible. What do? I borrow from 4 here. I remain with 3. Bring it here, 10. 10 minus 8, we have 2. 3 minus 3, that is 0. So the remainder is 27. But do we have a number here? Yes, 1. 43 cannot divide 26. What do? Bring this 1 here. 261. 261. So here I'm very close. Let me try 43 times 5. 43 times 5. 5 times 3, what do you have? This is 15. Right, 5 carry 1. 5 times 4, what do you have? 20. Plus 1, 21. But you have 261. So since 215 is very far from 261, let us try not 4 will be very far. Let us move to the bigger number, a number bigger than 5, which is 6, correct. 43 times 6. 8. 6 times 3. What do you have? That is 18. Write 8 carry 1. 6 times 4. That is 24. 24 plus 1. 25. 258. But I have 261. And we have 6 here. Let's try another one. 7. 43 times 7. 7 times 3, that's 1. Carry 2. This now, 7 times 4, 28 plus 2, 30. Hey, 301. So this 301 is greater than 261, but 258 is very close to 261. So what will we say? 43 divide 261, how many times? This number. 6 times, bringing 258. The remainder, 1 minus 8, impossible. I borrow from here, remain with 5, bring here, 11. 11 minus 8, what do you have? This is 3. So here we have 5 minus 5. This one gives us 0. Then 2 minus 2. This also gives us 0. So it means that 261 minus 258 is 3. Is there a number there? No. So we say that our dividend, which is 85,831, divided by our divisor, which is 43, should give us the quotient, which is 1,996. Then there's our remainder, which is 3. So we are done with that. So we have done A and then done B. So I want you to give me the answer of this.